In this video I'm going to show you the demographics section and how to filter by demographics. If you come into the employee distance search and search for the postcode, you could put in a site, for example. So you want to search for employees that live within 30 kilometers of the site. You can search by a card body, card, trading, or trade. I'm going to go trade, and a cherry picker. So we want to know who lives within 30 kilometers of the site who holds a cherry picker. The search has given us two results. So we've got Kevin and James. Kevin lives the closest, 3 kilometers away. James 16. You can also click in to the profiles from here. So if you want to see Kevin's training record, any courses he's done, or any cards he holds, you can do that from there as well. If you had a lot more employees in your results, you can search for them here to refine it, and also using the columns at the top. That's it for demographics. Thanks for watching the video.